रिपब्लिकन डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प अमेरिकेचो नवो राष्ट्राध्यक्ष जालो. मीडिया, राजकीय पंडित आनी हिलरी सपोर्टरांक धपको दिवन अमेरिकेच्या लोकांनी ट्रम्पाक डेमोक्रेट हिलरी आड कौलो दिलो. ट्रम्प अमेरिकेचो 45वो राष्ट्राध्यक्ष. अमेरिकनाक एकठांय हाडून अमेरिकेची उदरगत करतलो, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर उबारतलो, अमेरिके बरोबर रावंक इत्सूक आशिल्ले देशांक बरोबर घेवन वतलो म्हूण ट्रम्प उलयला.
America has elected a new president. It is my high honor and distinct privilege to introduce to you the President-elect of the United States of America, Donald Trump.
I pledge to every citizen of our land that I will be president for all Americans, and this is so important to me. I'm reaching out to you for your guidance and your help so that we can work together and unify our great country. Working together, we will begin the urgent task of rebuilding our nation and renewing the American dream. I've spent my entire life in business looking at the untapped potential in projects and in people all over the world. That is now what I want to do for our country. We are going to fix our inner cities and rebuild our highways, bridges, tunnels, airports, schools, hospitals. We're going to rebuild our infrastructure, which will become, by the way, second to none. And we will put millions of our people to work as we rebuild it.
तामिळनाडूतले जल्लीकट्टूचेर बंदी कायम. सुप्रीम कोर्ट म्हणटा मनशाचे मनरिजवणेक बैलांचो खेळ करप बरोबर न्ही. संविधानाच्या तत्वांत जनावरांचो उपेग अशे रितीन करप बसना. ताका लागून अशा प्रकाराक मान्यताय दिवंक जायना म्हूण सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगलां. गोंयांत कांय जाण धिऱ्यो कायदेशीर जावच्यो म्हूण मागतात. तांचे खातीर हो निर्णय म्हणल्यार धपको. एक ब्रेक.